Welcome, my friends, to 21 Program Manager Interview Questions Part 2. In Part 1, we ended on Question 5. Today, we're starting off with Question 6, and we're going into an area that I talk about quite a lot on this channel. Remember, this is the Project Leadership Institute channel, so we're going to be talking quite a bit about leadership today. Let's jump in to Question 6. Question 6 is leadership and teamwork, and it reads, you encounter resistance from a critical stakeholder regarding a proposed training module. How would you navigate this situation and gain their buy-in? Hit the pause button for more time. Think about your answer, craft your answer, and then I'll share mine with you. All right, so my approach to this area of stakeholder resistance is different from many other people's perspective. My perspective is to see this as a brilliant opportunity for improvement. Whenever I encounter resistance from a stakeholder, I see that as an opportunity to get to better levels of perfection to ensure that we catch any concerns before we go live. So first of all, I would initiate a dialogue with a clear mind and a positive mental attitude to first of all understand the concerns, to understand what exactly their concern is about and where it's coming from, presenting a compelling case for the proposed module. Then I would use collaborative problem solving, where I bring my stakeholder into a gathering of team members who have like minds, not to be combative, but to be collaborative. And together, we will define the problem, understand it. Because remember, as a program manager, you have project managers working for you, with teams that they are leading. So you need to get buy-in from whichever project is affected as well. Not just the customer, but also the project manager involved. So after a collaborative problem-solving workshop where we have defined a problem, identified the root cause, generated some alternatives, and then chosen the best alternative, we will then look at the benefits to ensure that this is truly going to benefit everyone involved as desired, and implement those alternatives by incorporating the adjustments based on the feedback. And if the feedback given from the stakeholder has already been covered, maybe just missed, then that will be elevated to the surface. But whatever the case, I would go in with a positive mental attitude, and that, in my experience, helps you gain stakeholder buy-in, because your body language and your nonverbal cues give away how you're truly feeling. So if you're coming in with a hostile mindset, the stakeholder understands that. So you really want to emphasize in the answer that you give that you're coming in with a positive mental attitude, PMA. And that's question 6. Let's go to question 7. Still in leadership and teamwork, describe a time you fostered effective collaboration with a diverse team to achieve a challenging project goal. How can you apply this experience to leading the community enablement program? So again, I have made this ambiguous so that you can toughen up when it comes to complexity and an ambiguity issue. So when in doubt, just remove the clutter. So this is a program, period. Whether it's community enablement or technology or training and development or software implementation program, whatever the case, a program is a program. So when you are given a question that may seem to be ambiguous, if you are unable to ask for clarity, attack it the best way you can. I know some of you do these interviews where you have a question and there's no one there. You're meant to record the answer on the web. Some interviews are like that these days. That's what I would suggest. But for now, I want you to read it as program. Okay? Go for it. So describe a time when you fostered effective collaboration within a diverse team to achieve a challenging project goal. How can you apply this experience to leading this program? Go. Number 7. All right. So, the way I would answer it, I would anchor this back in my mindset to the importance of individuals and interactions over processes and tools, right? Having a mindset that if we are communicating and collaborating, right, customer collaboration should be valued over contract negotiation. If we have that mindset, then we're going to get a lot further. So I would answer it like this. Drawing from my past experience as a program manager, I would emphasize open communication across the board. I would encourage it. I would foster an inclusive environment that values diverse perspectives. Diverse perspectives are actually good. If everyone just hyper agreed, then we would not have improvements and excellence as we do in many products and companies today. So a diverse perspective is good. A diverse team is good. In fact, research shows that having a diverse team set is better than having everyone hypernorm and everyone be the same. So the enemy of excellence in my mind is hypernorming. The excellence and the innovation that comes from a diverse team is undeniable. So I would foster an inclusive environment that values diverse perspectives, regular check-ins. I would also encourage very specific defined roles and recognition of individual contribution and team contribution alike. I would look for a way for the team to win small, incrementally, to celebrate small wins, and that fosters collaboration. When the team sees, oh, we're winning together, then we create a collaborative culture, and this is essential for achieving project goals. And that's it, my friends. For this episode, we are only taking 2 from leadership and teamwork for today. In the next episode, we'll move on to question 8, and I'll leave you with an inkling into question 8. Question 8 is going to be about how would you build a strong rapport with the global community hosts and ensure their feedback is consistently incorporated into program iteration. So think about it like this. How would you build a strong rapport with the global community of users, power users of a system or of a software, and ensure their feedback is consistently incorporated into program iterations? Because programs are for the long haul, okay? So have that in your back pocket, think about it, and hopefully in our next episode, you're going to come with great answers, okay? Remember, if you are looking to get more knowledge, more acumen, more experience as a professional, just remember that I have the Program Manager Coaching Program. This is an 8-week program. I'm currently accepting new professionals who want to take their program management to the next level. These are some of the questions I ask professionals in these meetings. This is how they grow, but I'm doing it one-on-one with each individual. If you want to be part of this program, if you want to learn more about program management, get to that next level, I need you to send an email to support@praizion.com or send an email to projectleadershipinstitute@gmail.com. All right? I look forward to hearing from you. You too can be a great program manager. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.